In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build an AI-powered expense logger with Chat and Google Sheets. We'll start by setting up the trigger that kicks everything off. Add the When Chat Message Received node. This is the listener that waits for an incoming message and starts the automation the moment a user sends something like car wash, 59.3 USD, 25 Jan, 2024. As soon as a message arrives, it's handed to the AI agent for decision-making. Next, add the AI agent node. Think of this as the brain of the workflow. It reads the user's text and decides what to do next. In our setup, the agent is configured to behave like a helpful accountant. When it notices an expense-style message, it calls a specific tool to handle it. In this case, it triggers the Parse MSG and Save to Sheets tool, which will take care of preparing and routing the data for storage. To make the agent truly understand natural language, connect the OpenAI Chat Model node to the AI agent. This provides the intelligence the agent relies on to interpret messages like dinner, 20 USD today. Without this model, the agent can't reliably extract meaning from freeform text. To help the AI keep track of the ongoing conversation, add the window buffer memory node. This acts like short-term memory, storing recent messages so the agent can handle follow-ups and clarifications more smoothly, especially when users send multiple related entries. Now, add the Parse MSG and Save to Sheets node. This is the tool the agent invokes when it spots an expense. It starts a sub-workflow, processing the raw message and passing it along to the next stage. From here, the message is sent directly to the workflow input trigger. Add the workflow input trigger node. This receives the message from the tool and initiates the sub-workflow that will extract structured details. It forwards the original text to the parsing step so nothing gets lost in translation. Next, add the expense text to JSON parser node. This converts the plain text into structured JSON. For example, car wash, 59.3 USD, 25 Jan 2024, becomes cost, 59.3 DSCRA car wash, and date, 2024-01-25. This structured format is ideal for storing in spreadsheets or databases. Power that extraction by connecting the OpenAI Chat Model 1 node. This model helps the parser accurately identify the description, cost, and date, even if the message wording varies slightly. Finally, add the Save Expense into Google Sheets node. This writes each parsed expense as a new row, so your log stays up to date automatically. Test with a few sample messages, keep your format consistent with semicolons, and confirm your sheet columns match the parsed fields for seamless tracking.